All right, another vanity, wall hung sink. Placing the vanity right there. That's leaking. And the angle stop does not shut off, this one. How's that even draining? Jeez. Couldn't get the damn angle stop off. And the bucket that Craig gave me, he's the on-site manager that knows everything, had a hole in it. And I said, Craig, the bucket you gave me had a hole in it. I said, the bathroom's flooded. It's not really, it's just water. He said, could have been worse. There you go. Huh? There you go. Here, let me get those shirts.
Throw them in there.
All right. Jeez.
Hey. See you later.
So Craig's gonna do this while I do 24.
Okay.
All right. Craig's on something today, folks. He's gonna spackle that up. I'm gonna take care of 24 real quick. So let's move over to 24. I'll handle that. Okay. We're replacing this whole damn thing. And of course, these angle stops, this old gate valve from 1925, and that, which is relatively new, that holds, and those angle stops in unit 18 didn't. So let's take this off. Okay, here you go. Piece of junk. Let's go check on Craig. Whoa. Craig talks to himself. Need help?
Huh?
Need help?
No.
All right. Another cheap faucet, dude. Another cheap faucet with these. At least they have these little nuts, whatever these are, kind of holds it down, but things are just getting more expensive and cheaper. It's crazy, bro. Look at this. It's leaking. I just noticed that. I'm telling you, bro, this building is Just needs to be burnt to the ground, basically. We're gonna have to replace this, man. And I'm gonna move this over, I think. Damn. Well, got a bit of a predicament here, folks. I suppose I could cut that back. I could probably strip this paint away, cut this back, and that would give me enough space, I think. Still not enough. Still not enough. It's much closer, but damn. All right, well, I'm gonna open this up, see how far back it goes. All right, we got a ton of space left, dude. I mean, there's a good 4 inches left, so the hard part will be trying to get the sawzall back there. I might have to get a bigger blade and bend it, but yeah. Cut it one more time, and then that should be. Will it fit? Yep, now it will. I need to get a, this is too short. I need to get an extension. I have one in the truck. This would be fine, honestly. It's just crooked and it kind of pisses me off, to be honest with you. But I've seen way worse. So, but if I get an extension, this will be nice and straight. There you go. Now it's nice and straight, straight as it's gonna get. Good enough for this neighborhood. That's all I can say. Craig's in there talking to himself. He'll come back once he's done in 18, mud this up. And homeboy who lives in here will be set. And maybe I'm tripping. Nope, I'm not tripping. That's wet, bro. All right, we're all done. Well, it's cleaned up and caulked. It's fine. That'll be good for years to come, I promise. Now, Craig is still talking to himself. Oh. All right, we got this all ready. Just gotta tie in the drain. Gotta let this dry, and then Craig's gonna paint. And then he can install it himself. He knows how to do that, I think. Actually, no, I better do it. So he does some pretty squirrely stuff, but this will be easy to do. All right, well, see you later.